We are multiplying binomials by filling out tables and then writing the simplified results. So in this problem right here, we want to think of it as x minus 5 times x minus 4. It is just already in the table. To get this value in the table, we multiply what is above it by what is beside it, and x times x is x squared. To get this value, we multiply what is above it by what is beside it, and negative 5 times x is negative 5x. To get this value, we multiply what is above it by what is beside it, and negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Finally, to get this value, we multiply what is above it by what is beside it, and negative 4 times negative 5 is positive 20. That's pretty much it. Now we simply put together like terms, and that is very easy to do. And terms are like by their letters. So there is no term like this one, and we will write it first because it has the highest exponent. There is no term like this one, and we will write it last because it has no letters. This term, though, is like this term because each term has an x. And since negative 4 plus negative 5 is negative 9, the middle term in the simplified result is minus 9x. It is worth noting that for every problem on this page, the constant will be positive and the two like terms will be negative. So you will just simply add them and keep the sign. Let's move on to number 8. To get this value in the table, we multiply what is above it by what is beside it, and 2x times 3x is 6x squared. To get this value, we multiply what is above it by what is beside it. 3x times negative 5 is negative 15x. To get this value, we multiply what is above by what is beside. Negative 4 times 2x is negative 8x. And finally, to get this value, we multiply the above part by the beside part. Negative 4 times negative 5 is positive 20. Now we simply put together like terms. We should know that there is no term like this, and it will be first. There is no term like this, and it will be last. So let's put in 6x squared first and plus 20 last. Now, this term is like this term, and since the signs are the same, we will add and keep the sign negative 23. So the middle will be minus 23x. Now, see if you can do problems 9 through 12 by filling out the tables and writing the simplified results.